Modular Plant Solutions offers a range of conveyor systems, including traditional mobile grasshopper conveyors, plant conveyors, overland, stockpile, and relocatable conveyors. The conveyors offered are intended for the use in bulk materials handling applications for minerals, aggregates, and industrial feedstock. The conveyors are built up using a standardized 12-meter gantry truss system. The truss members consist of mass-produced castellated beams, fabricated from standard hot-rolled sections, cut and welded on CNC process equipment. This gantry system offers multiple advantages over conventional conveyor design. The gantries are low cost to fabricate and low cost to assemble. The gantries can be produced in high volume rapidly. The gantries can be supplied as hot-dipped galvanized structures. The flat-packed gantry beam system offers exceptional shipping advantages. One standard 40-foot container can be used to ship 780 meters of primary castellated steel members, sufficient to build a conveyor 390 meters in length. The gantries can be installed rapidly as 12-meter modules, placed on a sleeper-type footing every 12 meters. Each gantry has one set of adjustable support legs that can be adjusted to achieve a smooth and continuous longitudinal belt profile, largely independent of the overland topography. The gantries can be supplied with extended support legs to suit an elevated conveyor installation or a stockpile conveyor configuration. This is highly advantageous for installations with unfavorable topography. Modular Plant Solutions has introduced two innovations that significantly add to the modular conveyor offering for an overland or a relocatable conveyor. These include a modular drive unit and a traveling maintenance platform. The modular drive unit is a single modular frame mounted at ground level with integral horizontal belt take-up, complete with a take-up counterweight stack, driving on the return conveyor belt. This module is skid or slab mounted depending on the installed power and serves as the anchor point for the gantry units that make up the complete conveyor. The modular drive is completely assembled and tested in the fabrication shop, minimizing the site installation effort and maximizing the quality and reliability of the assembly. The traveling maintenance platform offers unrivaled safe access to the conveyor for idler replacement. The traveling platform replaces traditional access walkways, representing a significant savings in material and assembly man-hours. Given the ease of deployment of the Modular Plant Solutions conveyor system, conveyors can be installed for what would traditionally be considered short-term materials handling projects, specifically in the mining environment. The capital cost of conveyors is normally prohibitive compared to the use of mobile equipment. However, the relocatable conveyor system competes most favorably with haulage trucks. The system offers reduced operating cost, reduced carbon footprint, and increased operational safety. Given the much reduced capital cost associated with this refined engineering design and the simplicity of the civils requirement, this relocatable conveyor system is worth considering for your next materials handling project.